Hi, I'm Zoe, and today I'll be teaching you about summer clothes and beach essentials. First, check out my colorful bathing suit. What colors can you name on my bathing suit? Good job! Now, this is a sun hat. It's helpful in making shade for your head. Look at these cool sunglasses. Do you have sunglasses too? Awesome! Remember, flip-flops keep your feet from getting burnt on the hot ground. Remember, if you want to go swimming, make sure to bring a towel. Next, we have a beautiful bathing suit cover-up. What color is the cover-up? Green. Good job. All of our beach essentials fit our beach bag. Can you name some of the other beach essentials? If you said floaties, good job. They are one of the most important beach essentials.